Hey everyone, Scott Rayleigh here. Are you ready to soar with me in Las Vegas? Some nice scenic views of the golf course. Beautiful, breathtaking views, everyone. I'm telling you, I can't wait for you to come along with me on my drone video. I just filmed this today. I was able to edit it just now, and it came out really great. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Just standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, are you gonna get?
That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it and come back for more drone videos in the future. I'm going to be taking off to the Red Rock Conservation Camp and getting some drone videos driving the truck with some canyon views, some Area 51 views. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going anywhere near that place. But I would like to have you guys come along, and girls, to enjoy some of the more videos that we're going to be sharing of Las Vegas and some of the city lights and some of the food and some of the great places to go, some of the hidden secret places, like the speakeasy places, the places that I like to go to. So I want to bring you along and share with you some of those vibes. I appreciate you. Take care. Give the video a like. Bye-bye now for now.